Welcome to the PSI Assembly and Operation Guide for Mechanisms 1 and 2. Start by slotting the gas stem into the base and slide on the protective shroud. Then lower the chair onto the gas stem and lower the backrest into the support slot, and tighten the locking wheel. When seated, lift the right side front paddle to raise the chair height. Lift the right side rear paddle to tilt the backrest. On Mechanism 2, lift the left side paddle to tilt the seat. Loosen the locking wheel and lift the backrest to adjust its height. Retighten the locking wheel to lock in place. Backrest height is controlled via a ratchet on Mechanisms 1R and 2R. The backrest will return to its lowest position when it reaches the top.